In this part, we will try to solve more complicated equations. Take a look at this equation. n over 2 plus 1 equals n over 3. The most difficult part is that there are two different denominators, 2 and 3. We hope to cancel these two denominators so that we can solve the equation more easily. If we follow the method in the textbook, we need to find the LCM of 2 and 3 to solve the equation. Now, I will show you another method in which we don't need to find the LCM of the denominators. We see that the denominators are 2 and 3. How can we cancel them? We will do it in two steps. First, take the larger denominator, 3. We multiply both sides of the equation by it. Multiply both sides of the equation by 3. This means that we have to multiply every term in the equation by 3. So we have n over 2 times 3 plus 1 times 3 equals n over 3 times 3. Cancel this pair of 3. Then we obtain 3n over 2 plus 3 equals n. Now, we have cancelled one of the denominators. There is still another one. Second, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So we have 3n over 2 times 2 plus 3 times 2 equals n times 2. Cancel this pair of 2. We obtain 3n plus 6 equals 2n. This equation is much easier to handle, right? Let's go on. 3n minus 2n equals negative 6. So n equals negative 6. It's time for some special type questions. Actually, the solving skills are the same. Look at this equation. m plus 1 over 2 equals m minus 2. Note that the whole m plus 1 is divided by 2. It is fine to multiply the whole equation by one denominator only. Doing the same thing as in our previous example. We multiply the whole equation by 2. On the left-hand side, we have m plus 1 over 2 times 2 equals. On the right-hand side, both have to be multiplied by 2, which is m times 2 minus 2 times 2. In this situation, we can cancel this pair of 2. Left-hand side becomes m plus 1 equals. Right-hand side becomes 2m minus 4. Actually, we have already finished the most complicated part. Let's go on. Transpose the term negative 4 to the left and the term m to the right. We obtain 1 plus 4 equals 2m minus m. So 5 equals m. The solution is m equals 5. For the common mistakes, students tend to do mental calculation to cancel the denominators in a rush. But it is easy to make mistakes in multiplication. Most of the time, they may forget to do multiplication with the term +1. Let me show you the wrong working steps in red. First, suppose we want to cancel this denominator 5, and we multiply the whole equation by 5. Some students may just pick one term on each side to multiply by 5. Then they may write 2y, the 5 is cancelled, +1, keep it, equals 5y over 3. This +1 is wrong, because it isn't multiplied by 5. Such working steps are wrong. The correct way to do this question is to multiply each term by 5 and write them down one by one. It will be more clear for both students and teachers. After that, we have 2y, the 5 is cancelled, plus 5 equals 5y over 3. Of course, this is not complete, but if you follow through, you will get the correct answer. So, remember to avoid this common mistake.